Boyle's law and Charles law under all conditions of pressure and temperature is called ideal gas. Other gases will follow ideal gas equation at high temperature and low pressure. On combining Boyle's law, Charles law, and Avogadro's law, then we get ideal gas equation. Here, what is ideal gas equation? And combining Boyle's law, Charles law, and Avogadro's law, then we get a equation that is known as ideal gas equation. Here, ideal gas equation which correlate PVT and PVT of a gas. Here, the ideal gas equation correlate pressure, volume, temperature of a, according to Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law? V is directly proportional to 1 by P at constant temperature. According to Charles law, V is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. Avogadro's law, V is directly proportional to M at constant. What is constant? Pressure and temperature. And combining these three equations, then we get ideal gas equation. These three equations we can write V is directly proportional to M T 1 by P. Here it is also written as V is equals R MT by P. Or it is also written as PV is equals MRT. Here R is gas constant. R is gas constant. It is also called universal gas constant, and it is also called molar gas constant. This equation for n moles, ideal gas equation for n moles. What is this? PV is equals to nRT for n moles. PV is equals RT. This is for 1 mole of gas, or 1 mole. Ideal gas equation for 1 mole, that is PV is equals RT. This equation is called ideal gas equation, and here R is called universal gas constant, or it is also called molar gas constant. This is ideal gas equation. The combined gas law. What is combined gas law? It states a fixed amount of gas, the volume is directly proportional to temperature and inversely proportional to pressure. According to this law, it states a fixed amount of gas. Here, mass of gas is constant. Then at mass of gas constant, the volume is directly proportional to temperature and inversely proportional to pressure. Volume is inversely proportional to pressure. Once observe these two equations, here this equation from Charles' law and this equation Boyle's law. Then we can write it V is directly proportional to T by P. V is equals K into T by P. PV by T is equals K constant. PV by T is equals K. Or we know that ideal gas equation. What is ideal gas equation? PV is equals nRT. From these equations, PV by T is equals here N and R. These two are constants. R is gas constant and N is number of moles of gas. Then if the state of a gas, given gas, if the state of a given amount of gas is changed from P1 V1 T1 to P2 V2 T2, then from above equation, what happens here? P1 V1 by T1 is equals to P2 V2 by T2. This equation is called combined gas equation. Graphs between PV versus T, the graph like this. PV versus T, and next graph PV by T versus T or PV, then what happens here? This value is constant. This is the combined gas law and this equation is called combined gas equation.